This is a test. The station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency such as severe weather, an Amber Alert, or civil emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WNEP serves the northeastern and central Pennsylvania viewing area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.